down the latissimus dorsi for that, right?
Yeah, so you pull down the trapezius muscles and the latissimus dorsi.
Okay.
And these are the back muscles, the erectus spinae, that extends the spine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
On the upper part of the back, this is really dried out here. It's usually in your cats, it's actually better condition. This is called the spinalis dorsi. Okay, so that's right under the spinal trapezius. So you pull down the spinal trapezius, and you have the spinalis dorsi. So the erectus spinae has 3 columns of muscle. It has the spinalis column, which we represented by the spinalis dorsi. The middle column is called the longissimus, which we saw as the longissimus dorsi in the lumbar region. And remember, it looks like it splits into 3 parts. This is one
That's
big
all
muscle.
longissimus.
Well, this whole thing here is the longissimus
Yeah,
dorsi?
from here to here. And
Yeah.
it continues like this. It curves up like this.
But you would put the pin in this area. You wouldn't put the pin
Yeah, I would put it like right here.
What was the muscle before longissimus that you said?
Oh, the spinalis dorsi.
That's that.
Spinalis dorsi.
Okay.
So you have 3 columns. The column closest to the spine is the spinalis.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
The
it's
middle column is
longissimus.
longissimus.
Okay.
So don't confuse the longissimus dorsi with the latissimus dorsi.
Okay.
Right.
Latissimus is lateral. It's on the side of the back. Longissimus
Longissimus
is
is
long. It runs down the length of the back.
Okay.
And then under these two flaps here are called the serratus dorsalis.
Right.
Right.
What do those do again?
The upper part raises the ribs. The lower part lowers the ribs. So we actually talked about those
Right,
with the
later.
respiratory muscles. So you don't have to know the 2 regions, like they have superior and inferior on there.
Oh, okay.
That's why I crossed them out. You just, if I put the pin anywhere in here,
That's
you write serratus dorsalis.
Okay.
And
Would you put it facing up though with this?
what I usually do, I would actually have it pulled down like this, and I would put the pin like through it, like while it's pulled down.
Okay.
So I did ask this, like, I don't remember if I asked it, but I have asked it in the past, and I would actually put the pin going through the muscle, right?
Okay.
And under the serratus dorsalis, this is called the iliocostalis. So remember, you have 3 columns of muscles. You have the spinalis, which is closest to the spine. You have the longissimus, which is the middle column. And the column on the side of the ribs, here, this is called the iliocostalis.
Right.
Where's the spine again on the cat?
Right here, you feel it?
Iliocostalis is over here.
Yeah, it's this right here.
Okay, got it.
And it's under the serratus dorsalis. You have to pull down the
Does it
serratus
continue
dorsalis.
or just it stops
I
there?
think it has different regions too, but
Okay.
this is the main region.
Okay.
This is on the side of the ribs. You could feel the ribs right there. It's
So-
costellus ribs, right?
So the spinalis dorsi is the closest to the spine.
Right, this is spinalis dorsi. It's going to be on both sides of the spine. Then you have the longissimus dorsi, which I'm going to ask you in the lumbar region if I ask it.
Where's the other side of the spinalis dorsi? Like you said, the spinalis.
over
It
there.
should be on, I don't know if they lifted it. It should be on like both sides of the back.
Okay, but here you could see it right there, right?
Yeah, it's like this right
Okay.
here.
Got it.
Okay, cool.
And then the 4th muscle in this group was called the multifidus spinae, which is actually not part of the erectus spinae. It's part of what's called the transverso spinalis.
Okay.
This goes from the transverse to the spinous processes of the vertebrae. So this is the multifidus spinae. It's right on the spine, like you actually feel the vertebrae between it.
So it's right there. Multifidus spinae.
So like if I put the pin here, it's longissimus dorsi. If I put the pin here, it's multifidus spinae.
Got it.
It's medial to the longissimus dorsi. It's closer to the
So it's literally
spine.
like on the spine.
Yeah, it actually fills in the gaps between the vertebrae.
So it's on the side.
Yeah, I would add, it's on both sides of the spine.
That's
Like,
not
I would put
right.
the pin like right in the
That's multifidus
spine.
spinae. Okay.
So SLIM, remember the
Slim. Right.
You have spinalis, longissimus,
Spinalis.
iliocostalis,
Multifidus.
multifidus, SLIM, slim. Right?
Got it.
Let's see what we learned there.
Spinalis, longissimus,
Iliocostalis,
multifidus, and iliocostalis, and serratus dorsalis.
Yep.
Perfect.
Awesome.
See, it's good you're doing it this or this.
Yeah.
When we start studying for the final, there'll be like 15 people all around here.
Yeah.
No one's going to be able to see anything.
I know.
So we're done now with the back.
Yeah, now we're going to go